gonna tell you all how I tamed her. Most cockatiels like to buy things made of yarn, cloth or paper. So I made this nice toy for my bird to bite. Just watch. Your parrot or cockatiel might like to be rubbed in the head. Cockatiels like to be rubbed in the red part of the cheeks too. As you can see, it's closing its eye and enjoying the rub I'm doing. It is relaxing. You can see it because it's closing its eyes and making a nice cooing sound. My cockatiel like to bite everything when it's hungry. Everybody, let's watch. Everybody biting. If you can see, my cockatiel's crown of feather is pointed upward. This means it's feeling happy or excited. But some healthy tips on how you can feed your cockatiel. Cockatiels should eat fruits, insects and seeds. My cockatiel likes to eat seeds the most. It enjoys eating grains of wheat, barley and types of millet such as white millet, red millet and French millet. Good buddy. Cockatiels can learn to talk when they're from 8 to 10 months old. Cockatiels can live for 14 years old when they're given good care. You must also remember to groom your cockatiel, which means to spray it with water at least once a week to keep your cockatiel